Hey guys, I'm going to try and take some of these sticks and make a trellis for some cucumbers and pumpkins. I'm going to take the two skinny ends and tie them together. I'm going to flip them off, baby. Yeah, like here. You want to take these and go over to the other side there, bro? Here, we're going to take a piece of wire. I'll leave it in there somewhere again. I'll twist them two together somewhere. I'm going to grab the clippers here. Let's see. Anyways, no. Cut that branch out. So much around there. Just put it around there like normal, right around both of them with no twists. And twist it. Okay. I'm doing that with these guys. Try and push your end in there. Hey guys, we're out in the pumpkin patch here. Just gonna show everybody the trellis. Uh, just starting to get some stuff growing up on it now. Uh, just cucumbers and then pumpkins down the far end. Uh, yeah, so we just made this to hold them up and get them maybe growing more. Hard to say. I put this little wire across there because the birds kept landing on it and shitting on everything. Yeah, yeah, pretty straightforward. Just wove them together and tied them up with some little pieces of wire. That one is actually starting to grow again where we planted it in the ground. Pretty wild. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see these big yellow flowers here where the pumpkins are starting to grow. I don't know if there's any cucumbers going or not yet. They seem to be having a rougher go. That's the trellis and the pumpkin patch, I guess. We're hoping to get some pumpkins to feed the pigs. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.